Starting around 11 November 2023, Truly Spell commonly token really is exchanging at $0.000555015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1% in most recent 60 minutes, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell sort of has an all-out market cap of $59,088,871, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,161,607 in a very large manner. This fundamentally makes generally Spell commonly token, Spell, truly positioning at 397 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Spell in every practical sense, token cost expectation end of 2023, what will explicitly Spell most certainly token in a real sense be worth in 2023, or so they certainly thought. Is essentially Spell fundamentally token a genuinely wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a very enormous manner? Will for the most part Spell cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in a huge manner? These truly are certainly Spell's sort of token cost expectations for Spell's future in a sort of enormous manner. Spell genuinely token, Spell, value expectation 2023, as per the Spell truly token gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Spell cost certainly is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.000568821, the normal truly least value worth of in every practical sense. Spell pretty token toward the finish of the truly current year ought to truly be $0.0005495 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, most certainly Spell can fundamentally arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.000598828, showing that these in every practical sense are especially Spell commonly token cost expectations for Spell's future, which essentially is very critical. Spell truly token, Spell, value estimate August 2023, the Spell especially token, Spell, cost for August 2023, may in every way that really matters arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $0.000452774, while the sort of greatest determined cost especially is around $0.0005094, which generally is genuinely critical. The sort of typical cost for sort of Spell explicitly is by and large anticipated to in every practical sense reach $0.000495119 in August 2023. Most certainly further appearance how might truly Spell cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled genuinely high in an essentially significant manner. Spell value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of for the most part Spell truly token explicitly is determined to fundamentally be at around a by and large least worth of $0.000491442, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Spell fundamentally token value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $0.000529114, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell exceptionally token, Spell, value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of certainly Spell in every practical sense, token especially is essentially anticipated to generally arrive at a really normal cost of $0.0005304.5, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.000549774 and a genuinely least of $0.000511558, or so they in every practical sense thought. Spell truly token, Spell, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, in a real sense Spell fundamentally token cost especially is gauged to especially arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.0005274.9 in an unpretentious manner. The Spell cost could in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.0005709.6, with the all things considered, normal expected cost around $0.0005466 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell in every practical sense, token, Spell, value estimate December 2023. The Spell kind of token, Spell, cost for December 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a very least worth of $0.0005493.5, while the exceptionally greatest determined cost really is around $0.000598828, showing that truly Spell value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of basically spell especially token truly is gauged to for the most part be at around a by and large least worth of $0.000491442, which basically is genuinely huge. The kind of typical cost for fundamentally spell generally is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach $0.0005681 in December 2023 in a genuinely significant way. Spell genuinely token especially past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been basically diminished by 0.9% in its kind of current worth, which sort of is very critical. Assuming we fundamentally think about the extremely current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, or so they essentially thought. From most recent 7 days the spell sort of was in every practical sense, great vertical pattern, and expanded by 7.2%, which sort of is very critical. Spell certainly token generally has shown areas of strength for genuinely of potential recently, and this could be for the most part great chance to dive right in and explicitly put resources into a genuinely enormous way explicitly. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of truly spell basically diminished by 30.660%, dispensing with an astounding pretty typical amount of $0.000243225 from its fundamentally current worth in a kind of huge manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be in every practical sense, great in every practical sense, purchase a potential open door for extremely speedy speculation, exhibiting how additionally by and large spell can truly arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.000598828. Showing that these essentially are our especially token cost expectations for spell's future, or so they in every practical sense thought. The 90 days cost change basically is near 25.35%, and the cost essentially flowed from a very least genuinely normal cost of $0.0006842 to really greatest for the most part normal cost of $0.000744880 in the in every practical sense, recent days in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. In kind of most recent 4 months truly spell really token all things considered has shown a developing pattern in a by and large enormous manner. Consequently, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, or so they in a real sense thought. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of basically spell truly token in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, so starting around 11 November 2023, basically spell pretty token in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.000555015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of